Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can make payment in Google Workspace. And the first thing that you will do is, of course, you will sign into your Google Admin Console. So you should see it right here. So you have to make sure that you're on the official Google Workspace so that you will be able to actually do this. And after signing in, you will go to the menu section and then you will click billing and then payment accounts. And it requires having the billing management administrator privilege, so you have to make sure that you do have that. Then you will click the account ID for your subscription, and under your balance, you will click pay early or make a payment. On the on the make a payment screen, you will just have to select or add your payment method, and if you pay using a bank account, it may take up to 10 business days for the payment to go through. So you can use the displayed payment method and then skip to step 7, which is right here. You could just specify how much you want to pay, and the minimum payment is typically $10 or equivalent in your currency. To use a different existing payment method, next to the display payment method, you will just have to click the drop down arrow, which is like this, and then you will just have to select a different method. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And after all that, you will just have to click make a payment and make sure that the payment details are correct, and then you will just have to click confirm and then got it. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.